Hi, this is a tutorial on how to make comprehension exercise questions on Google Portal. So what you're going to want to do is first make sure that you're logged in as at least a collaborator or a teacher. Then go to questions, my questions, and then go up here to view and edit comprehension. Then once you go there, you can select create comprehension at the top. And then here we can select the exam body we want. We're going to do engineering design systems, grade, SketchUp modeling, subject, basic learning, chapter, tools, using the toolbar. Let's do difficulty is easy. And this is the title of this is going to be SketchUp. This, and for the paragraph we're going to do this is the SketchUp practice. There we go. And now what you can do here, but the functionality is not added yet, instead of just uploading just a JPEG image, you can also upload files such as videos, audios, and in our case, a 3D model file. So what we can do is we can just click create here. And as you can see here, we have our ID, exam body, grade, the subject, and the title and the passage. So now what we can do is simply click the view the comprehension question here, and we can get the same breakdown of the information here. Let's suppose one of these is wrong. What we can do is click edit comprehension and then go back and edit it to make it what we want it to be. Now what we can do is to add questions to this. We can click here to add question to comprehension. And in this case, let's add a subjective question. Let's make it worth 2 marks and should take 1 minute. Question A. So let's do the question being, please turn this stool blue. There we go. So now, since we haven't added the functionality yet, we can upload the stool file here. This is the stool that we are going to be referencing. What we can do is save it as a 3D model file, SketchUp file, and then upload it here. Then what the user can do is download it and then do the instructions. Please turn this blue. So the answer would be navigate to the paint tool, select blue from the menu, and then finally select all of the faces to turn blue. And then so we go here, we can select the faces we want to turn blue, and then we can just turn all of them blue. And then once we are done that, what we can do is we can essentially have a plain file up here, and in that case it's going to all be white. And then finally in the end down here for the answer explanation, we can upload the fully completed blue model over here, and also how to do it in here. Then what we can do is simply click create. We will notify you when the functionality comes that you can upload your own files, but it will be coming soon. Then we can see here your questions are uploaded successfully. We click OK. There we go. There's one of the questions for this. What we can do is add another one. And then we can click what type of question we want. Let's suppose true or false. Can you make a let's suppose a circular indent in the top face of the stool? And then we can have like the file here, the original file, and then in this case the answer is true. Then we can say use select the circle tool. And then draw a circle from the middle of the stool. And then we can put in brackets, find the middle by drawing diagonal lines. And then 3, draw the circle radius to the edge of the stool. And then finally, erase the lines, the extra lines, using the erase tool. And then finally, extra lines using the erase tool. Let's fix this. And then finally, use the push/pull tool and add a 1-inch indent, or 0.5 inch indent. There we go. And we can modify the question up here. Can you make a, let's make it more specific, a 0.5 inch indent in the top. There we go. Now what we can do is simply go here and then go like this. And then we can make the circular indent that we wanted in the middle. Make it to here. We have it here. We can erase the extra lines. Like this, like that, and like that. And then finally, we can use the push-pull tool and enter a value in of 0.5. And now we have a little indent in the middle here. Then what we can do is simply save that file, upload it again here, and we have our item done. Another thing we could do is upload a video file of us doing it. So we can go back through all the steps and just record a video of us doing it and then upload it here as well, including the instructions. Then what we can do is simply go down here, click create, upload it successfully, good. And now here we have both a true or false and a subjective. Now let's add a one more, just for multiple choice question, just for now. Oops, multiple choice question. Let's do marks 2. And if there is a glitch, then simply go up here, click a different question, and then come back to the multiple choice. So then let's suppose we want a question, how do you hide a line? Hide a line without deleting it. Then we can have some options here. Use the erase tool on it. Another one we could do is use the push, or change the color of the line to match the face to hide it. Color. And then this will be the right answer. You right click and click hide. In brackets we can put control E. And then finally down here we can add another answer. Let's suppose you rotate it to not see it. There we go. Then we can say this is the correct answer. And the answer of explanation is this is used to hide a line without modifying the characteristics of the face. It simply hides it from view instead of deleting it. There we go. And then again, we can upload the original file here and then make the modified file with a hidden line. Let's do this. Let's select a line, right click, and then click hide. See how it is merged with the thing instead of modifying the characteristics of the line. Like if we come here and then instead of hiding it, we click erase, it deletes it changes the characteristics of the face. And instead of hiding it, we hide it, it still keeps the characteristics. And then we can go back, check if everything is good, spelling, yes. And then we can simply click create. And then it's uploaded successfully. And there we go. So this is essentially how you create comprehension exercise questions in Gurukul Portal. Thank you.